Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot. What bank does Airwallex use? If you're curious about the financial backbone of this global fintech company, you're in the right place. Imagine you're running an international business. You need to make payments, receive funds, and manage your finances across borders. You'd want a reliable, secure, and efficient banking partner, right? That's where Airwallex comes in. But what bank is powering their operations? Airwallex is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including international payments, currency exchange, and embedded finance. They've gained popularity for their ability to streamline cross-border transactions and provide businesses with a more seamless financial experience. So, what bank is behind the scenes, supporting Airwallex's operations? Well, it's not as simple as a single bank. The complex reality. Airwallex doesn't rely on just one bank for its operations. Instead, they leverage a network of banking partners across the globe. This approach allows them to offer their services in various countries and regions, ensuring compliance with local regulations and providing access to different financial instruments. Think of it like a global financial network. Airwallex connects to multiple banks, each with its own strengths and specialties. This helps them provide a more comprehensive and flexible solution to their customers. Key factors in bank selection. When choosing banking partners, Airwallex considers several factors, including regulatory compliance. Ensuring that the banks they work with adhere to local and international regulations is paramount. Financial stability. Partnering with financially sound banks is essential to mitigate risks and ensure the security of customer funds. Technological capabilities. The banks must have the technology and infrastructure to support Airwallex's operations, including cross-border payments, currency exchange, and other financial services. Geographic reach. Having banking partners in various regions allows Airwallex to serve customers worldwide and offer localized services. The benefits of a multi-bank approach. By working with multiple banks, Airwallex can reduce risk. Diversifying their banking partners helps to mitigate risks associated with any single bank. Improve efficiency. Access to different banking networks can streamline transactions and improve operational efficiency. Offer a wider range of services. Partnering with banks with different specialties allows Airwallex to provide a more comprehensive range of financial services to their customers. So, to answer the question, what bank does Airwallex use? The answer is not a single bank, but a network of banking partners. This approach enables Airwallex to offer a reliable, secure, and efficient financial platform to businesses around the world. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Airwallex or the fintech industry, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative and engaging content.